Welcome back to English Grammar Class, Module 8 Tenses. Children, before going to the tenses, let us learn about words related to rooms and things in the house. We do different things in the different rooms of the house. So, let us look at some rooms that houses have. First one is living room. In the living room, we can see a sofa, chair, set table and carpet and few more things. The kitchen has cupboards, a fridge, a gas stove and so on. In the bedroom, we can see a bed, table lamp, some shelves. Dining room has a table and chairs. Bathroom has toilet and basket for dirty clothes. So these all are the different rooms of the house. Children, in which room will you keep these things? Yes, it's in the bathroom, right? So now you are going to keep the sofa in living room and toaster in the kitchen, and you are going to keep the dining table in the dining room and the bed in the bedroom. Now let us move to the grammar part. Let's learn about simple present tense. Time is the first thing we should understand when learning tenses. Time is divided into three areas that can be represented on timeline as present, past and future. Present is time now. Past is time before now. Future is time after now. Tense is a form of an action word that shows time of the action as time of the action. Tenses can also be divided into three main types, that is past, present and future. Children, let us learn about simple present tense. Look at these sentences. Ali drinks milk every morning. My father reads the newspaper daily. They go to the church every Sunday. The words drinks, reads, go are doing or action words. They show action. The words every day, daily, every Sunday in these sentences shows these actions or the habitual actions. In other words, they shows habits. When a doing word or action word in a sentence tells us about habits, events and actions that happen regularly, daily or repeated very often. The sentences in the simple present tense. Let us see where else we use the simple present tense. These sentences. Oil floats on water. Plants grow in soil. Cows eat grass. These sentences will talk about something that will never change. They are always true. When doing word or action word in a sentence tells us about something that is always true, then sentences is in the simple present tense. So the doing or action word floats, grow and eat are in simple present tense in these sentences. Let us now see how to change action word to its simple present tense form. Add s or es to make action words that comes after pronouns he, she, it or singular naming words. For example, he goes to the park every day. She drives the car to office. It barks loudly. Rahul watches cartoon movies. Children, look at the action words in the first and last sentences. Goes and watches, we have added es to the action words, and in other sentences we have added s let us learn some more examples regarding this simple present tense. First one is he eats fruits. She sings sweetly. It jumps on trees. The sun rises every morning. So, in these sentences, you will see where we have used s and es. Second one, the action words remains as it is without changing if it comes after the pronouns I, we, you and they or the plural naming word. This means do not add s or es to the action words that comes after I, we, you, they or the plural naming words. Now I go to the park every day. We brush our teeth in the morning. You drive the car well. Let's see some more examples. They watch cartoon movies. Dogs bark loudly. Here in these examples we have not added s or es to the action words. Let us look at some more examples. I drink coconut water daily. We like ice cream. You play football. They live in the sea. Birds eat worms. I hope you understood about simple present tense. Okay, now let's revise. The simple present tense describes habits, events or the actions that happens regularly or daily or always true. Add s or es to the action words that follow he, she, it and singular naming words. Do not add s or es to the action words that comes after I, we, you and they and plural naming words. As children, this is all about today's class. Thank you children.